Welcome to Think in English. Today, the topic is evening routine. Listen to this easy English conversation and relax. At the end of the day, you are still sitting at your desk. There is one last thing to finish, so you stay a little longer.
Maybe it is a small task. Not too difficult, but your mind feels slower now. You read the same line again, just to be sure.
You look at the time for a moment. It is later than you thought. The day has already passed very quickly.
You don't want to start anything new now, so you keep your eyes on this last small thing, and let everything else wait.
So you continue slowly, not fast like before, but careful and steady.
The room around you becomes quieter. There are fewer sounds, fewer movements, fewer distractions.
Maybe you hear a small sound, like a chair moving, or someone closing a door. It reminds you that other people are also finishing their day.
You take a small breath and look at your work again. Almost done now, just one more step.
Then, finally, you stop typing or stop writing. Your hands become still.
You check your work one last time, not because you have to, but because you want to feel complete.
And when everything looks okay, you decide, this is enough for today.
You don't push yourself more. You don't try to do extra. You allow the day to end here.
Maybe you close your laptop slowly, or put your pen down on the table. That small action feels important.
It is like a signal to your body, the work is finished.
For a short moment, you just sit there, you don't move right away.
Your body feels a little heavy, but also calm. You are not rushing anymore.
You don't need to check anything else. The desk feels a little less busy now.
The day is not perfect. Maybe, but it is done.
And sometimes, that is enough.
In that quiet moment, you begin to leave the busy day behind, and something softer starts to come in.
After you finish your day, you don't stay in the same place for too long. Your body slowly tells you it is time to leave.
Maybe you stand up from your chair and stretch a little. Your legs feel a bit tired after sitting for many hours.
You take your bag, or look around your desk one last time. Everything is still there, but you are ready to go.
You don't think about work anymore. You are just thinking about going somewhere more comfortable.
If you are outside, you start going home. You walk slowly, or wait for a bus, or ride your bike through the street.
The world feels different now. The light is softer, and the air feels cooler than before.
You see people around you, but everything feels calmer. No one is rushing like in the morning.
Maybe you hear quiet sounds, a car passing, people talking, or soft music from a shop.
You don't need to hurry. The evening is already moving at a slower speed.
If you are already at home, you still change your space. You move away from your desk and go to another room.
Maybe you go to the living room, or sit on your bed. Even a small change feels nice.
Your body understands this change. It knows that work time is over.
You might take off your shoes, or put your bag down in a quiet corner.
These small actions help you feel more at home, more like yourself again.
You don't need to think about tasks or plans right now. That part of the day is already finished.
And slowly, without forcing anything, your mind begins to feel lighter.
The place around you becomes more comfortable, more peaceful.
And step by step, you move closer to a calm and quiet evening.
After you arrive home or move to a new space, you don't do anything right away. You just look for a place to sit.
Maybe it is your sofa, your bed, or your favorite chair. You choose a place that feels soft and comfortable.
When you sit down, your body feels heavy for a moment. It is finally resting after a long day.
You don't need to stand, walk, or do anything now. For a few minutes, the chair is enough.
Maybe you lean back a little, or rest your head. Your shoulders slowly relax.
Your breathing becomes slower, more natural. You are not thinking about time anymore.
The room is quiet, or maybe there is a very soft sound around you, but nothing feels stressful.
You don't need to talk. You don't need to answer anyone. This time is just for you.
Maybe you look around your space. Everything feels familiar and safe.
You begin to feel more comfortable. Little by little, your body is not tight anymore.
It's a simple moment, but it feels important. You are giving yourself time to rest.
You are not trying to be productive. This is your time to slow down and come back to yourself.
You are just sitting, breathing, and being here.
And sometimes, that is the best way to start a peaceful evening.
After you sit down and relax, you might reach for your phone. It is something you often do without thinking.
Yes, your hand just moves naturally. You pick it up and look at the screen.
There may be some new messages, or small notifications, nothing too urgent, nothing too important.
You read them slowly. Some words can stay on the screen for now, without needing an answer.
Maybe you open one message, then another. You understand everything, but you don't feel pressure.
Some messages can wait. You know you can answer them later, or even tomorrow.
You might scroll a little, just looking at simple things, photos, short posts, or something light.
But you are not really searching for anything. You are just passing the time quietly.
After a short while, your eyes feel a little tired again. The screen is not so interesting anymore.
So you stop scrolling. You don't stay on your phone for too long.
Maybe you put it down next to you, or on the table. The room feels quieter without it.
Your hands are free again. Your mind is a little calmer than before.
You don't need more noise right now. You don't need more information.
And in this small, quiet moment, you start to feel more present, more here, in your own space.
After that quiet moment, you begin to feel a little hungry. It is not a strong feeling, but it is there, gently reminding you to eat.
You don't rush to the kitchen. You walk there slowly, still carrying that calm feeling from before.
Maybe you open the fridge and look inside. You are not searching for something special, just something simple and warm.
You choose your food without thinking too much. It could be rice, noodles, or something easy to prepare.
As you start preparing your dinner, your movements are slow and steady. You are not in a hurry anymore.
The small sounds in the kitchen feel clear now. The sound of a plate, a spoon, or water running softly.
You might notice the smell of the food as it becomes ready. It feels quietly comforting.
When everything is ready, you bring your food to the table and sit down.
You don't look at your phone right away. The food in front of you feels like the most important thing for now.
Then you take your first bite, slowly, without rushing.
The taste feels simple, but good. You are more aware of it now, because your mind is calm.
You continue eating at your own pace, bite by bite, without thinking about anything else.
You are not planning tomorrow. You are not remembering work. You are just here, eating your dinner.
Maybe you eat alone, or maybe someone is near you, but the feeling stays quiet and gentle.
Your body starts to feel warmer and more comfortable as you eat.
The hunger slowly disappears, and a soft feeling of fullness takes its place.
It is not a big moment, not something exciting, but it feels right for the evening.
And while you sit there, finishing your meal, you feel a little more settled, like your night has truly begun.
After dinner, your body feels a little heavy, but in a calm way. You are not tired like before, just ready to relax more.
You stand up slowly and walk to the bathroom. There is no hurry now. You can take your time.
You turn on the water and wait for it to become warm. The soft sound of the water fills the quiet space.
You step in gently, and the warm water touches your skin. It feels comfortable right away.
For a moment, you don't move much. You just stand there and feel the water.
The warmth spreads through your body. Your shoulders begin to loosen, and your muscles slowly relax.
You don't need to think about anything. The day feels far away now.
Maybe you close your eyes for a few seconds. Everything feels simple and quiet.
The water continues to flow, steady and soft. It helps your mind slow down.
You wash your face, your arms, your body. Each small action feels calm and natural.
There is no pressure, no noise, no rush, just you in this quiet moment.
Little by little, the tired feeling fades away. Your body begins to feel lighter.
Time feels slower here. You are not checking anything. You are not thinking about time.
When you are ready, you turn off the water. The silence returns gently.
You step out, feeling clean and warm.
And in that soft, quiet moment, it feels like you have washed the long day away.
After your shower, you stay in the bathroom for a little longer. Everything is still quiet, and you move slowly.
You take your toothbrush and put some toothpaste on it. It is a small action, but it feels familiar and calm.
You begin brushing your teeth. Not too fast, not too slow, just a steady, gentle rhythm.
The sound is soft, and your mind does not think about anything important. It is just a simple moment.
You look at yourself in the mirror for a second. Your face looks a little tired, but also more relaxed than before.
You don't need to change anything. The mirror is only there with you. Quiet and simple.
When you finish brushing, you wash your mouth and face with cool water.
The cool feeling touches your skin and wakes you up a little. But in a soft way.
Maybe you take a towel and dry your face slowly. The movement is calm and easy.
Then you use a little skincare, like cream or lotion. You put it on your face gently.
Your hands move slowly, with care. You are not rushing this moment.
It feels different from the day when everything moves so fast.
You are not thinking about the day anymore. You are just here, in front of the mirror.
And in this small routine, your mind becomes even more peaceful.
These small steps may not seem important, but they help you feel ready for rest.
And little by little, you move closer to a calm and gentle night.
After you leave the bathroom, your body still feels warm and relaxed. You are ready to change into something more comfortable.
You go to your room and choose your pajamas. They are soft, light, and easy to wear.
You slowly take off your day clothes. They feel a little heavy now, like they still carry the busy day with them.
When you put them aside, it feels like you are also putting the day aside.
Then you put on your pajamas. The fabric feels gentle on your skin.
Your body feels free right away. There is no tight feeling, no pressure anymore.
You move a little, just to feel the comfort. Everything feels softer now.
You are not dressed for work, not dressed to go out. You are dressed to rest.
Maybe you look at yourself for a moment. You look simple, calm, and ready for the night.
You don't need to be perfect. The night is not asking much from you.
The room feels quieter around you. The light is softer now.
You take a small breath and feel your body slow down even more.
This small change of clothes may seem simple, but it changes your mood too.
It tells your mind that the day is truly over.
And little by little, you begin to feel ready for a slow and peaceful night. After you change into your pajamas, you don't go to bed right away. You still have a little time to enjoy the evening.
You look around your room and think about something simple to do. Nothing serious, nothing difficult.
Maybe you turn on the TV and choose a light show. Something easy to watch, something that does not make you think too much.
Or maybe you play some soft music. The sound fills the room in a gentle way.
You sit or lie down comfortably. Your body is already relaxed, so you don't need to move much.
You watch or listen, without trying too hard. Your mind follows slowly, without pressure.
Sometimes, you don't even focus on the story or the song. You just enjoy the feeling.
The sounds and images pass by quietly. You let them come and go.
You might smile a little at something simple, a small moment that feels nice.
Or maybe you just stay calm, without strong feelings, and that is okay too.
You are not trying to learn anything. The show or the music can simply stay in the background.
This time is just for rest, just for being comfortable.
The room feels warm and safe around you.
And as you sit there, doing something easy and quiet, your mind becomes even lighter, ready for the rest of the night.
After some quiet time, you may notice someone near you, maybe a family member, or someone you live with.
They might be sitting close to you, doing their own thing, watching something, or just resting.
You don't need to say much. Maybe just a few simple words. How was your day?
Sometimes, one small sentence is enough to feel close. No pressure, no long stories, just a small sharing.
You might smile, or listen for a moment. It feels warm to have someone near you.
Even silence feels comfortable when you are with the right person.
But sometimes, you are alone, and that is okay too.
Being alone in the evening can feel peaceful. You have space just for yourself.
You can sit quietly, without talking, without explaining anything.
You don't need to react, or answer, or think about other people.
Whether you are with someone or by yourself, the feeling is still calm.
There is no stress, no rush, no need to do anything more.
You just stay in that moment. Simple and quiet.
And in this soft space, you begin to feel more settled, more at ease with the night around you.
As the evening becomes quieter, you begin to feel sleepy. Not suddenly, but slowly, like your body is getting ready to rest.
You look around your room one more time. The lights are soft, and everything feels calm and still.
Maybe you turn off some lights, leaving only a small light on. The room becomes more gentle.
You walk to your bed and pull the blanket a little. You make a small space for yourself.
You don't rush into bed. You move slowly, like you want to keep the calm feeling.
Maybe you check a small thing, like setting an alarm for the next day. Just something simple.
You don't think too much about tomorrow. You just make sure everything is ready.
Then you sit on your bed for a moment. You feel the softness under you.
Your body feels heavy again, but in a comfortable way.
You take a slow breath and let it out gently.
The day is almost completely behind you now.
You don't need to do anything else. Everything important is already done.
You lie down slowly and pull the blanket over you.
The bed feels warm and safe.
And in this quiet moment, you are ready to let the night take over. When you lie down, your body becomes still, but your mind is still a little awake.
You look up at the ceiling, or close your eyes for a moment. The room is quiet around you.
Small thoughts begin to come back. Not strong, not heavy, just simple moments from your day.
Maybe you remember something you did in the morning, or a small moment that stayed with you.
Some moments feel good, some are just normal. You don't need to think too deeply about them.
You let the thoughts come and go, slowly, without holding on to them.
You don't try to fix anything. The day can stay as it is, finished and behind you.
You just notice it, like watching something pass by.
Your breathing becomes softer. Your body feels more and more relaxed.
The thoughts begin to slow down. There are fewer and fewer of them.
The quiet around you becomes deeper. Everything feels calm and safe.
You feel the bed under you, warm and comfortable.
There is nothing left to do now. The night holds everything quietly, so you don't have to hold it anymore.
Only this moment, soft and still.
And as your eyes close, you gently let the day go.
Tomorrow can wait. Right now, you can finally rest.
Thank you for listening to Think in English. We hope you enjoyed this conversation. See you in the next video.